I was struggling to get my ID. My mother didn't want to get this ID. I couldn't go to school. I ended like my grade 11. That's when I quit school because I couldn't go any further. And I tried to apply in colleges. I couldn't go in.
A little bit over 2 years ago, I became pregnant. Okay, and because I smoke, this is where I buy my things. So I went to a clinic. Because how I look, first like gating, they wouldn't even let me come in until I had to explain why I'm there. Kafita, babata ID. But the problem is I don't know my ID number, you know. So I was choose.
One of the violations that we identified are the violation of their ID document. People don't have the ID document or their ID documents were confiscated. Without an ID, you'll find facilities that cannot take anybody because they don't have an ID.
Our clients, when they go to Home Affairs, they face stigma and discrimination from the people working within those facilities. What is important is that they also have to be treated equally, and they have to be treated without discrimination or stigma.
In the program of demand creation, we also provide services of human rights violation. We have an ambassador that is trained by NACOSA to go out and identify those whose rights are violated. We also sensitize the police, sensitize the other stakeholders like the hospitals. And we also sensitize the beneficiary of the program that they are aware that it's in their right to have IDs. And it is in their right that they can receive care and health. We are able to refer them for services like taking them to the police stations to open cases. We are able to take them to Home Affairs in terms of being able to get the assistant. So in that way, they are able to see that we are there for them.
Our team is always motivated at helping and assisting and providing services. And I think the biggest motivator for them is the fact that they're bringing a solution to the community. They are making a difference.
We have psychosocial services, one-on-one sessions with our clients, group sessions with our clients. We have human rights ambassadors, from just assisting one person to go back into school, especially with the human rights component, having AYPs being kicked out of school because they do not have IDs. And you know, education is it's a basic need. So everyone has a right to education.
I went to a local clinic. I met some social workers and then they transferred me to Childline. And then that's when my mother was willing to help me because of our sessions. School-wise, ever since I made my ID, I'm starting to plan my life. Right now, it's easy to plan my life. I can now apply in the colleges. I would say, if you're struggling to get an ID, go seek help.
I believe organizations like this are really, really, really needed, for real, for real. They will definitely help you. Ibile, what's so nice about it, it's not like they help you and just tell you go, they come with you. My daughter is fine now, 1 year, 7 months. Ngwanote, my grandmother, you see, yeah. When you have someone behind you, you know, someone who believes in Romotu, you feel like a person, you know, obali dignity, self-dignity, obali self-respect for yourself too.
Thank you.